you can see, Bubs does know his name. He knows come a little bit, and he does know sit. And the rest we will work on, and I can't wait to show you his progress over the next 2 weeks.
Hi, I'm Kyle. This is Bubs. He is a French Bulldog that is 10 months old, and prior to training he was dealing with a lot of disobedience as well as just being an overall menace to society. Very loud in his crate, very disobedient. He'd be jumping all over you and didn't have any sense of commands. And now, since leaving him with Macy for 2 weeks of training, he is quite the contrary. He's very obedient, very well behaved, and yeah, overall I'm very happy with it. I would definitely recommend it.
Hey guys, Josh Wilson with Off Leash Canine Training. I hope you enjoyed another amazing dog put out by my team. Across the country, we don't care about the breed, the size, the age, or the behavioral issue. We're going to make them awesome for you. If you're interested in seeing more videos like the one you just saw, click the image here on the screen. Also, I'd encourage you to check us out on Instagram and Facebook. And before you leave our channel, make sure you subscribe. So every time a new video comes up of another outstanding dog doing some crazy, amazing things, you're going to get notified in your email address. And for more information on other locations we have around the country, check us out at joshwilson.dog. Appreciate you so much for watching our channel. See you soon.